bless you. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Yeah, so I want to teach you a 3, 4, flat 4 to 5 chord in the key of C. The key of C is all right keys. We have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So the chord goes like this. So like hallelujah, hey, hallelujah, hallelujah, hey. 5 is the sound of big 1. Hallelujah, hey. 3, hallelujah. 4, let the sound. 5, 6 of rejoicing fill this. So you must have been playing that, but maybe you've been playing it very simpler than this. So let me show you this very simple chords also. So they're actually dominant 13 chords, but I'll spell them out. So starting from 3, we have on left we have 3 to 5 means mi fa fi so. Yeah, so you're doing that. So on 3 we are doing E7. Sorry. So but we're not doing the full chord, just 1 and 7. On right you have your 10, 13, your 1. So but let me just call the notes out. Alright, so it will be faster. Okay, so we have on left you have E and D. On right you have A flat, D flat, and E. So that's the first chord. Then you go up chromatically. That's just it. It's just going up chromatically. So next chord you have F7 on the left. You have D minor on the right. That's actually F13. F13 dominant 13. So we have F, E flat on the left. On right we have A flat. Sorry, we have A, D, and F. So from this then to this chord we have next chord for flat 5. We have a F sharp. We have a G flat and E on the left. On the right we have a B flat, E flat, and G flat. Then last chord on 5 we have a G and F. That's a G7, but G13 actually. Naming right, the left and right. So on right you have a B, E, and A. Then you can use this augmented chord. So on your 5 you can do this augmented chord also. That's you just take this E to your E flat. So that's taking your E to your A flat. So I hope that's simple. So let the sound of rejoicing fill this church. So anytime they sing that song, you can always do that. God bless you in Jesus' name. Amen.